What happens when you breach your 5K1 cooperation agreement? When you sign a cooperation agreement, there's requirements that the U.S. Attorney's Office puts in there that you must meet. These requirements typically include continuing to tell the truth, and if the U.S. Attorney's Office found out that you've previously lied to them or omitted a material fact, that could be considered a breach. You also can't be disclosing your cooperation to anyone else, so you can't be calling up your girlfriend, wife, brother, father, and telling them about your cooperation because cooperation is supposed to be secret. So in theory, the U.S. Attorney's Office could also breach you for disclosing the fact that you're cooperating. In theory, you can go to the judge and say, "Judge, we had this agreement, this is what I've done, and now the U.S. Attorney's Office is telling me that I've breached." And the judge, in theory, could say, "You know what, U.S. Attorney's Office, you're not holding up your end of the bargain here," and honor the 5K promise. But that never works in practice because what judge is going to tell the U.S. Attorney's Office how to cooperate individuals and who gets a 5K1 letter? You can't be thinking that just because you've signed a cooperation agreement, your obligations to the U.S. Attorney's Office are over until you go to your sentencing. So if they're saying you've breached at any point between you signing the cooperation agreement and you actually being sentenced, you're going to have a very, very difficult time arguing to the judge as to why you should be getting any sort of credit. And it may not be 5K1 credit, it may just be 3553A credit. But breaches are taken very seriously by the U.S. Attorney's Office and very seriously by the judges.